So a few weeks ago, I was in Santa Barbara, I was taking a little vacation, and I said on Instagram, hey guys, I'm gonna go on a photo safari. And then I went and did my thing, but then I got all of these DMs and people are like, what's a photo safari? Like, what do you do? And like, how do you do it? And I actually never really thought about what this process was. I just called it a photo safari. But before I get into that, I am so hungry. I am taking a lunch break. We're gonna go in, we're gonna get some food, we're gonna grub, we're gonna chat. Let's go. Actually, this is one of my favorite places in Newport because it's a vegan restaurant and it's also gluten-free. Be still my heart. Now, some people hear that and they're like, oh my God, that's totally crazy. No, no, no. You wanna know what's crazy? Not tasting this food. I'm gonna show you the madness that this thing is. Okay, so everything in this restaurant has like meat, but it's like a vegetable substitute. So, videographer Mar said he wants a burger. Do you like Asian style food? Can I get you coconut bacon? I know, I got you. Do you like avocado? Oh, dude, we're in. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. I'm gonna do the classic burger. I'm gonna add the avocado and the coconut bacon. Kombucha, which is the most quintessential drink that people drink in California. Total granola hippie, but it's a probiotic drink. I stay legit and I stay healthy. I keep it super low sugar. This one is ginger lemon. Listen, if you want to try kombucha, this is not the one you try with. This is like expert level kombucha drinking. It is for those not of the faint of heart. It's so legit. Now my videographer, he got a pink lady apple because perfectly suited for him. Let's just be real. I'm not talking trash. It's just, you know, it's just true. So what is a photo safari? Let's get back on topic. And the most important question is, can any business take a safari? And the answer is yes. So safari is basically showcasing what you do or what your business does and then doing it out in public. So for example, I'm a photographer. I take my camera and I go out shooting in public and then people ask me, what do you do? What do you shoot? Could I hire you? It's like being visible to people all of a sudden builds trust. Now people say, oh, that's easy for you because you're a photographer. Of course you'd go out. Well, let's just take things to a different level. Let's just say you're a fitness coach and you only train in like a gym. Is there any possibility on a beautiful spring, summer, or fall day to take some of your clients outside and train them? I can't tell you, my husband and I walk our dog and there's this like fitness coach and she comes every Tuesday. I started taking some of her classes because I saw what she was doing with her clients. And she was just smart. She's like, on warm days, I'm gonna train them outside because it's basically visual marketing for what I do. Good for her. Now, let's just say you're a business coach, you're a life coach, you're a mom coach, and you're like, I'm always indoors. Sure, no problem. What if there's a possibility of you going and offering your services for free? Can you volunteer at your community center, at a church, at a synagogue? And do I think your entire business should be volunteer? No. But when you put yourself out in public situations, showcasing your professionalism and what you do, there are gonna be other people in the same sphere who will hire you. But they only will hire you after they trust you and you know that you deliver on what you do. So same thing could be said for a jewelry designer. Most people design their jewelry behind closed doors. I get it, but there is something really powerful about going out and being in public spaces. Even if it feels awkward to bring your tools out, people see and buy what they see. It's just kind of like a fact of the game. So other people say, well, Jasmine, there are things that I have to do inside. Like, I'm a makeup artist. What am I gonna do? Well, a lot of times people, at least if I don't really work with makeup artists. I try to get it in my budget to get a makeup job done and like, no, I was vetoed. My accountant said, no, you're not getting a makeup artist. But when I am looking to hire a makeup artist, and I've worked with plenty of them, I always think to myself, what does the makeup look like in real life? Because it's one thing to be indoors in a studio with like bulb light, like tungsten light, fluorescent light. If I were watching a makeup artist do a video tutorial in a public space so that I get to see what the makeup looks like in natural light, you're killing the game. So it doesn't have to be awkward, like, oh, I'm just doing some of this makeup outside. Bring a videographer, record the tutorial, and it works in two ways. You get a really awesome tutorial in natural light, and then people get to see what you do. So basically, give me most, over 90% of professions, if you're willing to get uncomfortable, if you're willing to feel a little bit awkward in public spaces, you could still kill the game just by showcasing what you do. Bombay bowl. There's like chickpeas and curry, and it's mixed with cauliflower rice and a salad. Beautiful. This is an acai bowl, and the beauty about this acai bowl is that there's a little bit of granola at the bottom, and it's gluten-free granola. I usually can't eat these because I'm gluten-free, and this is magic. And this is a Buddha burger. This is like a black bean based burger, gluten-free bread, veggies, and instead of chips, there are kale chips. And if you guys are paying special attention, there are 3 items on the table. JD is actually here with us at lunch, but he doesn't want to be on camera. People say, Jasmine, you should let JD be on camera more often. Do you know how hard it is to get homeboy on? He's like, oh, there's a camera? I'm out of here. So anyway, his lunch is here, but he's not on camera.
My boyfriend, we just thought to do like a company for monthly bucks for yoga, and we're looking for people making videos. So we send like the projects, and we just ask people to make video about what they think about that.
So wait, you make yoga?
Yeah, so it's a monthly box.
Oh, a yoga box.
Yeah, and every month you have the box. And we just talk, so we need people to just talk a lot about it. So if we can like send it to you a box and just make a video about that for free.
One, I love this idea because one, I don't do influencing, but because this video, you will never believe this. This video, I tell people, but whatever you're doing in your business, you should go out in public and do it because people will ask you about what you're doing.
Yeah.
And so one, I don't do influencing, but I will take this box and I will make a video because I'm gonna point back. And I was like, I was doing this thing, she asked me to do a box, it's not an influence, it's not a plug, I'm just using this box because we met. So connect with me. Full name, I'm Jasmine Starr. I'll have my husband give you all of my information and then we'll make it happen. Should we have a moment of silence? I couldn't even plan that better. It's like almost like, I couldn't even plan. I talk about, you guys, this is how it works. You go out in public and you do crazy and awkward things and people want to hire you. That's crazy. That's crazy. You guys, this is my exact point. You have to go out in public and you have to do what you do. Because humans are very interested in what other people are doing and they ask questions. So what's a safari? Going out in the wild, the public, doing what you do and being seen. For everybody who says, I need to get more customers, my business is drying up, I don't know how to get people to talk to me. Go out, be seen, hustle, and do great things and people will fall into your orbit right at the right time.